Today on Tucker Time, we're going to make candy poison apples. All you need is apples, wooden skewers, a candy thermometer, 2 cups of sugar, half a cup of corn syrup, 3/4 cups of water, 2 purple and black food coloring, optional sanded sprinkles. You'll also need a baking tray and parchment paper. First, put your wooden skewers through your apples. Here's an easy trick.
Who taught you that trick?
Steve's phone.
Oh.
When your apples are ready, pour your sugar in a saucepan. Add your corn syrup. Add the water. Stir it up until it's dissolved. Add your food coloring a few drops at a time until you get your desired color you want. Heat it over a medium heat. Make sure to stir so it doesn't burn. Bring your mixture up to 290 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's up to temperature, dip your apples.
I think they're going to be beautiful.
Make sure to roll it around.
Let's lift it up. Okay, get another apple. There we go.
While your apples are still sticky, decorate with sprinkles. Let them dry a few minutes, and now you have your beautiful poison apples. Taste test. And remember, smash that like button, ring the bell, follow me on social media, and subscribe if you like my videos. Bye! Thanks for watching Tucker Time!